Hello, welcome back. My name is Giselle and welcome to my Music Foundation YouTube video. Today I will be discussing on dynamics. Now dynamics, one thing I love about dynamics, it gives a piece a lot of color. You can play a piece very softly, to very forte, very loud. Whole range of loudness and softness with dynamics. So we are starting with pianissimo, 2 P's to play very softly. Piano, soft, very soft. Mezzo piano, moderately soft. We have mezzo forte, moderately loud. We have forte, loud. We have fortissimo, very loud, and you can see up to like 4 F's. Extremely loud, very dramatic. That will be all. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day. Please subscribe. Bye.